Good day to all my friends, subscribers, and viewers. This is Ari Vlogging, no? 12,838 square meters with a clean title located in Barangay Cabantian Hills, Gindulman, Bohol. Few minutes drive from National Highway. So again, this is Ari Vlogging. The price is 5.5 million pesos. Then owner is willing to interchange or convert this farm lot into a condominium. What I mean, exchange to a condominium property. So kung naamoy condominium guys, located in Panglao which is ready for occupancy or house and lot, owner willing to exchange his property on your property which is a house and lot or condominium located in Panglao, Bohol or in Panglao Island. So willing siya nga ma-convert ni o condominium or house and lot in Panglao Island. So manay gusto niyang mahitabo, no? Again, the price is 5.5 million pesos. Murag ang gusto niya nga kanang iyang 5.5 million pesos negotiable man sana, kamo na lay magsabot, no? Then og makagusto siya sa inyong house and lot or condominium located in Panglao Island, let me know kay gusto niya nga mahalin or ma-convert o house and lot or condominium. Mo ni gusto niya mahitabo guys. So kamo na lay hubad, no? So kadtong nakaibaw, no, kadtong mga willing pod nga na pananglitan wa po kay dili kahilig og condominium or house and lot, gikapoy na ka diha sa imong kondo og puyo, kini nindot ni overlooking, there is already mango trees, income generating lang ni kay ready ko naman ni siya, kanang naa naman siya, makabunga na magyud siya. So fruit bearing mango trees. Although ang imong road right of way dili pag you develop, no, you need to develop. For inquiries, just contact me. Thank you.